and welcome to Facts or Frauds. Hey friends, we've got another sovereign citizen, Moor, Washitaw Nation pretendian, who thinks he doesn't need a license, he doesn't need registration or insurance or any of that stuff because he claims to be indigenous. Like, we don't have to have driver's licenses all of a sudden? When did that happen?
Would you like to... I told you why I pulled you over. Okay. You violated no turn on red sign. Did you see the sign?
No, I didn't see it.
Okay. There's a sign on the post that says no turn on red. Yeah. That's the only reason why I pulled you over. Okay?
But I'm just saying that you guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come down to the department.
Okay. Do you have your license on you, sir?
I don't. Yeah, go right there.
You don't have your license on you?
I don't use license. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Y'all department needs to inform y'all.
You don't have a license on you?
I don't use license. I'm indigenous.
I'll be right back. Mr. Norton, can I speak to you outside, please?
I'll hold this and read it while you're talking to him. Pick up your earphones.
All right, Mr. Norton, turn around for me. Chance, can you back? Other hand? Other hand?
Let me put my keys in my pocket.
We'll take it.
We'll get you situated here.
Well, can I ask you why you...
I will tell you in just a second.
Your cooperation means a lot right now.
Okay.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir, not on me.
Okay. In the truck you do?
Just actually one in the weapon.
Okay, that's fine. As long as they're in there.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. Here, spread your feet apart. He's just got to get you locked up there.
All right, Mr. Norton, you got a warrant out for your arrest.
We'll tell you a little bit about it. We don't know much about it, but they did put a warrant out for your arrest.
Step back to my car. We'll go on the other side, please. Do you mind just watching?
You don't have to worry about that, brother. I'm all about peace.
It's policy, man. I just have to search you. Do you know what your warrant's for?
No, sir. I don't really know. I haven't broken any laws. Like I say, I'm sovereign here. You know, I'm an American Indian.
No, you're not. All right, enough with this claiming to be native, indigenous, aboriginal, whatever. You're not. All right, you want proof? Here's your booking info.
And yeah, we don't go by y'all laws and stuff. What we try to do is what's called minimum contact. So Rick Highsmith, which just recently retired, he told me that you guys was informed about sovereign laws and stuff.
Right.
You know, so I'm an American Indian. You know, so.
No, you're not. All right, enough. You're not. Look, right on the screen. There is the Washitaw Nation. Yeah, sovereign citizen Moorish wannabe pretendians. You're not indigenous.
What if I went to a Black Lives Matter protest and dressed in African garb and did my version of drumming and African singing? I felt really bad. Not doing it to mimic them or imitate them, but I'm doing it from a place of love. I felt racist as shit.
So our perspective, and you have your perspective, our perspective is we go by the law. A judge and all that, they determine it, that you violated something, failed to appear or something, you didn't show up for traffic or court or something.
Yes.
So,
see, that's that mean. Let's be clear. I'm not a U.S. citizen. I'm a United States of America citizen.
Right.
Keeping on
original.
those, that's a difference.
The original.
That's a definitely different. So, and you guys have a peace treaty with us.
You have all this cash in your pocket. I'm going to leave it in your pocket, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just so we don't have a misunderstanding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all have a peace treaty with us, the United States government. Like I tell everybody, like I'm here to peace because we see eye to eye on most things, you know. So, yeah.
Believe it or not, I'm one of the few people who's done that tribal training.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mr. Norton, have a seat for me.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Norton, did I miss anything on you? Do you have anything illegal on you whatsoever?
Can you like spray some stuff in here for me?
It's already been sprayed.
Okay.
I spray it after every transport.
All right.
If you have anything on you that's illegal and they find it at the jail, they will charge you with it, okay?
Razor blades, joints.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I just have to inform you.
Can I roll my window?
We'll get that situated here.
All right, go ahead and put your... I'm going to grab your phone for you, okay?
Okay, thank you. Hey, did you get that? You get that treaty for me?
I'll grab it.
Okay.
I don't know if the jail's going to let you have it, but I'll grab it.
Well, you know, it's all right.
So you said you don't use a license?
No, I don't drive.
Well, you were driving.
No, traveling. Everybody have a right to travel, and then I'm a sovereign.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. The judge should know that, you know, like indigenous peoples and Moors, we don't use driving license. You know, I only use a passport. You know, we just have a treaty of peace, friendship. You know, so that's what I go by. I mean, I've never been arrested for anything.
You've never been arrested for anything. Well, this is just one page of your criminal background. Yeah, just like the pretendian thing. I don't believe you.
He was not.
I didn't think so.
And thanks once again for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a major thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. Wanìshi, thank you. If you'd like to become a member, just hit that join button right next to subscribe or click on the link in the description. Now, if you're still hanging out, thank you. I appreciate you all. Why not hit that thumbs up button, make sure you're subscribed, ring the bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.